Welcome everyone to Smartly. Today's video is based on English lesson plan, which is a prose whose topic is packing, which is of class 9th. Playlist of English lesson plan is given in the above I button, where you find more lesson plan of English. The link of PDF of lesson plan is given in the description box below the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please comment below. PDF लिंक की जो साइट है वो एक थर्ड पार्टी साइट है, तो वो आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा कन्वीनियंस फ़ी चार्ज करती है. अगर आपको वो कन्वीनियंस फ़ी पे नहीं करना हो तो आप मुझे किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पर डायरेक्ट DM करके PDF बाय कर सकते हैं. उनकी भी लिंक आपको नीचे यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. तो आइए हम लेसन प्लान को स्टार्ट करते हैं.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
होप आपको लेसन प्लान अच्छा लगा होगा, तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कर लें। आपको पीडीएफ की लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी और अगर आपको बाकी किसी सब्जेक्ट के लेसन प्लान चाहिए तो उनकी भी प्रॉपर प्लेलिस्ट बनी हुई है, आप प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन में जाके उन्हें देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।